As you can hear, it's quiet as a mouse. Quiet as a mouse out here. He's an older gentleman. He was just out there on the pier, lookout, point, whatever you want I call it. I don't know. Like I said, I don't. The little uh, peninsula of land that comes out to the water. Point, I guess, would probably be a better term. He was there, and he could have been clapping his hands. But the first thing I heard sounded like a knock with like a dead stick on a tree behind me, which would have been down that way. And it sounded like it was down a couple trees that you can make out, you know. And like I said, it sounded like a dead stick. One knock. And then I thought I heard water ripple, like a frog jumping in, a fish jumping out, some, that kind of splash in the water. And there was never no rings in the water. Like, rings that would come out from something splashing in the water. There's a very faint breeze blowing across that water out there, which I don't know if the camera even picked that detail up. That's how little it is. I don't know if you can see it right now or not. But yeah. So, I could zoom in closer, but I'm afraid it'd just blur out. So, and then I heard like the older gentleman clapping his hands just one time, like you'd swing back, swing your hands forward and clap them. That's kind of the sound it gave away, which it could have been, but that was just weird. I must have just saw a car go by. Wow, that's crazy if that's what I saw. There's no way. There's no way that I would see a car from here all the way out to the... No way. That had to be a bird or something flying by. Or one of them moving really quick, which they've been known to do. They've been known to run with cars, supposedly. And speaking of Bigfoot, Sasquatch, and I know they're out here. It's been proven to me in videos and pictures by highly regarded people in this industry, in this line of work. Colorado Bigfoot's people that does pictures for him. And they catch up in their and they catch in his videos, and they make pictures out of them. A lot of stuff out here in these woods that we as humans are not told about by our government. And not just here in the U.S., and not just in Canada, and not just in South America. Around the world. Your big public official governments, whether it be here in the United States, England, China, it doesn't matter. It's all being covered up. And the sad part is these people are out here, they're hunters, they're bird watchers, they're photographers, they're just nature lovers. They just go walking in the nature, which is just pretty much what this is. They have the live-a-jivvy scared out of them to enough where they leavey-jeevy in their jeans, shorts, and they know what they saw, they know what they heard, and yet the government says, now you're lying. People laugh at people. It's crazy. I love that tree. That tree's awesome. Hopefully I'm zooming right in on it. Am I? Where's that tree? Oh, there it is. Wow, okay, hold on. Back up. Okay. So that tree in the middle of the picture is awesome. I'll show you another one up the trail, and probably next clip. Howdy. He doesn't want me to say anything, but I'm staring right at him. At least that's what I see. And I see it in a lot of videos that don't even cover this subject, so I could take a picture, I get it home and zoom it in and go, yep, that's exactly what I thought I saw. It's called their magic. That's why 1 second they can be there and the next second they're gone. Many hunters have stories. Trained engineers. This just goes on and on. Local people just out hiking on the trail with their dog, and all of a sudden their dog starts pooping everywhere. Let's use the P word. Hopefully I'm gonna zoom in on what I think I'm zooming in on. Can you see those? You gotta be able to see those. What is there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. There's 11 all day. That's cool. They're always out here. It's vultures. Yeah. Ooh, bird on the trail. Anyhow, I think, personally, the reason we're not informed about these beings, because they're not apes, they're not monkeys, they're not gorillas. They're more human than we could even imagine. They're more attached to this earth than we could ever be. And I say we, including myself. Don't know. I'm less normal than most people. And I don't want to be normal. I don't want to be average either. So I'm a little cuckoo sometimes. For Cocoa Puffs, that's another tree that's always amazed me. Right there. Right there. It's just awesome how it sets. But I'll probably get home and that palm right in front of me will be focused and the whole background will be blurry. Which, that palm leaf was like off to the edge of my view, but anyhow, right here's where we saw the eagle. Where was he? Yeah, he was right up there, I think. Might have been on this tree over here. Yeah, he was on this tree right there. So, it's where the eagle was, I guess, last week. As far as video clips go, and really probably just like 4 or 5 days ago as far as video clips go. But anyhow. We got somebody out on the point. We got somebody walking down towards the bridge, which I think that somebody towards the bridge is who just passed me when we were looking at that tree in the woods, the first tree. Ooh, what do we got? Whoa, what do we have? Give me a minute. Remember, I only got a little bit of a screen I'm looking at. Wow, it's worse than half now. Alright, that's the 2 double trees together. There he is. Right there. What is that? I'm gonna get my camera out and find out. I'll let you know, if you don't already know. It's really not that far away, folks.